apple free gun! Vlogmas bitches.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlogmas episode. I'm a little toasty, so that's why I'm kind of like we're gonna be making some Christmas baby tees, Christmas crop tops, you know, not for sale, just for personal use. I've been doing a lot of creative things this year. I've been trying to do a lot of positive things with my hands, you know, artsy stuff. So right now, because I don't want this to be a long video for real, because I know this is gonna be a long process, so I don't want to be a long video. Right now, I'm just looking up some inspo of non-holiday related like slogan tees, and then I'm gonna try to add like a little twist. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys my screen this way. I think it looks cooler. I like this one. I was thinking of doing like I love lying to Santa, but I was like, I don't want it to be Christmas, just Christmas related. Like, I just like this shirt in general though. I might just like make that anyway. I love Drew Barrymore so much. Girls kick ass. I like that. Instead of Von Dutch, don't touch. I like this too. I feel like I could do something with this. I feel like I could do like a variation with this. I'll just keep that there. What is this? I don't follow, I always lead. Okay, girl. That's not very, that's more like 70s. I fell in love and all I got was this lousy. Boo! I'm so tired of seeing that shirt. Oh my gosh. Save the world, recycle men. Okay. Slay. Brunettes are so hot right now. I want that, like, just like, oh my gosh. Make me happy, take me shopping. That's not really like, that's like a very original design. You get what I'm saying? I wouldn't feel right. MILF in training. That's funny. I can make like a MILF shirt with Mrs. Claus. Ooh. That's kind of nasty though. What am I doing, guys? I like attention. Nigga, I got depression. Someday I'll be famous. Yup. Ooh. I love my attitude problem. That's so funny. I was thinking of doing the that other shirt up there that kind of gives me these vibes. I love my attitude problem. But none of them are like, you see, I know what I'm gonna do with this. Like, I already know how I'm gonna make an original design out of that. I'm trying to figure out if I could find something else. I'm gonna find one more design and then I'll be right back. It's gonna be a surprise. I'm stealing this. I'm stealing this. I'm stealing this. I am stealing this. So this is not a tutorial, so I'm not gonna be showing you how the hell I just did this. But basically I'm about to make all the words and everything I want transparent, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the Grinch one too. Oh, and this is a free online software, by the way. I haven't paid for my Photoshop this year yet. I have to renew it, so this is just pixlr.com, the editor version. It's very, very similar to Photoshop. There's more things you like can't do on here that you can do on Photoshop, but it's very similar. I ended up scratching the Grinch one because like it was funny in the moment, but then I was like, oh, that's gonna seem so mean. I don't want to be walking around the world wearing a shirt that says "fuck them kids." But so I did go with I trashed that one. Okay, so first off, it's on the screen. I made this one just now, and I just found some free clip art and then added some text, put $1 in there. Now we got Chase in the back. And then I have the Von Dutch, don't touch, but then I put a mistletoe, so it kind of makes sense. But yeah, those are the 2 shirts I'm gonna be doing. Y'all, please do not think this is how I do stuff for orders. Like, my shit is way cleaner than this, bro. Like, please don't.
Tomorrow on Voodoo Vlogmas.
Shout out my niggas. Now you know that be my slime. Oh, shout out my niggas. That be my slime. That be my slime. Right. What? Hey. Naruto 9-tail boss. I feel like a Gucci athlete. Go to the Coca-Cola, my sky, Coca-Cola, I ain't really fucking with the nigga like it like. I'm gonna tell him, burn your stripes.